Hi, my name is Katie. I am a certified child life specialist. If you've never heard of that before, that's okay. My job in the hospital is to help children and families cope with medical experiences. So one of the big things we like to do is take something that's typically kind of scary or uncomfortable and desensitize or normalize it for kids. So we do that a lot through using play. One familiar item that you may know about in the hospital is something called Coband. Coband is that stretchy bandage material that you usually are associating with maybe like a cast that's going on top of someone, or maybe to wrap fingers together. In some cases, it might hold a certain bandage in place. Whatever the reason for bandages or using Coband is, it's usually known with something that's kind of a painful or uncomfortable experience. So how do we child life it? We make it fun. So I'm going to show you a really simple step that you can turn Coband into these cute little bows, so that if you have extra Coband lying around, I did this in less than 30 seconds. You can either, if it's a bow for a little girl or a little boy that likes bows, or it could be a bow tie. I think it's really cute to even put on top of like an IV site. So it's not the actual Coband that's holding it down, but it kind of helps to decorate something that's typically not as fun to look at. Okay, let me get started and show you exactly how to do it.
Okay, so very simply, I'm just going to take Coband. You can see this is about 1 inch Coband. Gets a little pop, so I just twist it right off, stretch it out. Coband is really easy to work with. So I'm just going to take half of my Coband and fold it in half to the middle here. Take this other half of the Coband, fold it in half. I'm going to flip it over, and I'm just going to pinch the center right here. Flip it back over, pinch the center. And you can kind of mess with it. And there, we have a cute little bow tie. Another thing you can do is just take a little piece, rip it in half, and then if you fold it over, it makes it a little bit more stable, like this. And I'll just put it on top to give it kind of a finished look. And here we go. We have our cute little Coband bows, which are great to put on baby hats, decorate however you want. Okay, hope you like it.